Hello, this is a video from Cultural Linguistic Services, or CLS, at UW-Madison. UW and CLS are using WhatsApp to send important updates in multiple languages to employees. You may want to consider installing WhatsApp on your phone to receive important information directly to your phone. We will show you how to install WhatsApp on your smartphone in order to receive messages in your preferred language from CLS. You will need a smartphone, either an Android phone or an Apple iPhone. But first, we'll explain a little bit more about WhatsApp. What is WhatsApp? WhatsApp is a free app you can install on your smartphone. You can see the picture of the icon. It's a green circle with a white phone inside. You can join a special CLS WhatsApp group when your phone has the app. If you choose to join, CLS will send messages in your preferred language. Messages are about important UW-Madison information, resources, and events. You can read the messages but not reply to them. Talk to your supervisor if you have questions about the messages. Here is an example of a CLS WhatsApp group message. Look at the picture of the phone on the right. You can see the WhatsApp icon and an example message about unemployment benefits. This WhatsApp service will replace the multilingual phone lines. It will not replace UW Police Department Whisk Alerts. If you want to learn more about Whisk Alerts, you can watch the video, How to Get Whisk Alerts on Your Cell Phone. You can find the video on the CLS Online Workplace Learning website. Here are examples of the same WhatsApp message in Spanish and in Nepali. On the next slides, we'll show you how to install WhatsApp and receive CLS messages. Step 1. On your Android phone, find and tap the Google Play icon. Or if you have an Apple iPhone, find and tap the App Store icon. Step 2. On your Android phone, find and tap the search bar on the top. Or on your Apple iPhone, find and tap the search icon on the bottom. Step 3. Type WhatsApp Messenger into the search on either your Android or your Apple iPhone. Step 4. On your Android phone, tap the Install button, or on your Apple iPhone, tap the Get button. Step 5. Now find the WhatsApp icon on your home screen and tap it to open it. Step 6. Now that you have WhatsApp on your phone, you need to open your phone's address book and create a new contact. The name of the contact is CLS WhatsApp. so type that name into your address book. The phone number that you will add is 608-514-2874. Save this name and number as a new contact in your phone. Step 7. Now it's time for you to send us a message on WhatsApp if you want to enroll in this group. In your message, you need to send these 4 things. First, your preferred language code. Type E for English, S for Spanish, H for Hmong, T for Tibetan, C for Chinese, or N for Nepali. Second, your department. Third, your name. And fourth, your phone number. On the next slide, you'll see a couple of example messages. Here are 2 example messages from people who want to join the CLS WhatsApp group. The first is from someone who wants to get the messages in English, so they typed E. Their department is housing. Their name is Bucky Badger, and you can see their phone number. The second person wants to get messages in Spanish, so they typed S. Their department is FP&M. Their name is Flamingo Bird, and you can see their phone number. Now you try it. Send your message to CLS WhatsApp at 608-514-2874. Type the letter of the language you want to get messages in, your department, your name, and your phone number. You'll soon start receiving messages from CLS on WhatsApp. It's important to remember that when you receive a message from the CLS WhatsApp group, you can only read the message and you cannot reply to the message. This service is for receiving important UW information and is not for chatting. Do you have questions or need more information? Here are 6 CLS team members who speak different languages. Please feel free to contact any one of us and we'll be glad to help. Thank you and good luck.